Creator Chrissy here today. So I picked up a 3-pack of books for my Kindle Fire from Amazon, and it was like for organizing and stuff. They're pretty good, a little broken English in them, but there were some good cleaning techniques that I'm going to try with you guys. So let's proceed into the living room, which is what I'm going to speed clean today. So in the little speed cleaning book, well, it was a whole bunch of different, it was 3 different books, like I said, from a lady named Marcia Savage, which was pretty good. But you start off with your 2 garbage bags, which are just these, because I don't have a lot of garbage in here. And you make a circle around the room, picking up the garbage the garbage to throw out in one bag. And then she has a circle again, but I'm going to do it with just one circle. And then you circle around the room and pick up the stuff that doesn't belong and put it in this bag. So, I'm not going to bore you with the running around in circles. So, I'm going to start with the 2 bags. So, as you can see, I got my 2 bags. Well, should have got a bigger one for that. This is stuff that doesn't belong. And that is my little teeny tiny garbage bag, which I can use in a different room. So then now that I've done that, I'm going to go around the room and pull things off of the shelves and straighten out the couch cushions and stuff. And you're supposed to pull the stuff off, well, in a circle as you go. You move things over to the right, dust it down, put it back up. Now, if this was a thorough, quick cleaning, you would take this, which I'm probably going to do, and you hit the high spots. Oh, and I got that little microfiber cloth at the dollar store. You just kind of go around and wipe the walls down all the way down, which I'm not going to do, but I will do this. So I'm going to go and do all the walls from the top to the baseboards, and then I'm going to go make another circle and dust. So I took my Swiffer and just put the, as I showed you, the microfiber cloth on it that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also got these from the Dollar Tree, just trying to make my life a little easier, some furniture wipes. So we're going to take one of them and just start wiping down the furniture. I had a little thing I'd hold it there, but so I'm just gonna wipe this down and bring these over and wipe them down. And I don't know if you can pick, oh yeah, you can see, it's been a while since I've dusted. So here goes. Alright, I ended up using 2, and I set my timer for 20 minutes on my Alexa, just to see how long it would take, and I'm sure it'd be quicker if I wasn't sitting here recording. So I got everything dusted down, whoop, except for over there. I'm going to get that right now. I started here and then worked my way around. So it's all nice and dusted. Next I'm going to do a quick vac, and then a quick mop as I walk out. So I did it once around with the vacuum, and I vacuumed the furniture off. I love that little Bissell. And this is my O-Cedar little mop. You just squeeze the trigger and you just mop away. Which I love this because you put your own stuff in, instead of having to buy the already pre-mixed stuff. It only takes 2 teaspoons to fill this, which is awesome, and it does a great job. And then what I usually do, flip it. There we go. And give it a little dry. So you can see, Chunky doesn't like it when I mop the floor. Flip it again. Like I said, you walk out the room as you mop. So it was actually less than a half hour because I still got 5 minutes left and I put it on a 20-minute timer. And I already been in the living room doing a once over for about a minute. But there you go. I would say that took 15 minutes at most, which is something I could do when I get home real quick. Of course, when I do the speed clean, like thorough clean, I'm going to try that once a week. That'll be wiping down the windows. And, well, who am I kidding? I'm not going to wipe the windows down once a week. It'll be taking all that stuff down, vacuuming with my Kirby, and getting all that done. But this little Bissell does pretty good. 3-in-1 turbo. It does a fantastic job vacuuming the pet hair off my couch. And off my floor, as you can see. Ew. And the Kirby bags are very expensive. So, though I did find some at Walmart, so I'm tickled pink about that. I gotta go buy some. So, there we go. That was my 15-minute speed clean. Not even 15 minutes. I still got 4 minutes on the timer. With my O-Cedar mop, which I filled with, I think I put Lysol on it this time. Used my Swiffer with a microfiber to wipe down the walls and the pictures. Vacuumed with my little Bissell. Dusted with some wipes from the Dollar Tree. And then I got some electronic wipes that I keep over by the TV, which I'll probably wipe down next. So there you go. There's a speed clean in my living room. Bye. Oh, and please like and subscribe.